What up, what up, what up? It's your boy AJ, aka Cooking with AJ, and I'm back with another mukbang video. So sit back, relax, join, and get ready to look at some good. Alright, so again, like I said, I'm AJ. You watching my channel, Cooking with AJ. Please like, share, subscribe, and join. My page is Cooking with AJ on Facebook and Cooking with AJ on YouTube. This is a mukbang video, aka cooking show, aka just have fun. So today I have smoked turkey wing with rice and gravy. Here, let me pick up the entire plate. I have a smoked turkey wing with a smoked turkey leg with rice and gravy. Bam, let's pause for a thumbnail. And I have my favorite veggies, California mix with cheddar cheese. So, all right. First, I'm going to say my grace. All right, let's go. Let's dig in. Let's see what we... Oh my God, so good. Oh, I see that meat just fall off the bone. Wow. This is so good. So, what's up? Talk to me. Oh my God, like it is so good. Wow. I forgot my napkin. Like a dumbass. So anyway, how was everybody's day today? What's going on? Talk to me. Talk to me while I eat this goodness. I was gonna make cornbread, but then I was like, I don't need no cornbread. So, no cornbread. And today, I'm going to drink regular water. Filter water. Oh my God, these vegetables are so good. Like, so delicious. Wow, it's so good. And I'm trying to think, am I going to eat this entire turkey wing? I think I am, because I haven't eaten anything all day today. And I'm just pulling the meat off. See, look, watch. The meat just like, everything just peels off And it just comes off. I don't even need a knife. Oh my God. And it's seasoned so good. Like, wow. So I'm just going to take the rest of the meat off of the bone. I'm not going to put this whole bone in my mouth. People are creepy and nasty and want to see stuff like that. I'm not going to do that. Although, I can't fit this whole bone in my mouth, but I'm not going to do that. That would be like so nasty. Look at all that meat just going off. I'm not. Listen, and I want to do it just to be funny, but I'm not. I could probably fit half this bone in my mouth. Like, all jokes aside. But I want to suck it so I can get all the juice in. That didn't even sound right. Oh my God. Whoa. It's a lot of bones in there. I ain't gonna put this whole thing in my mouth. Oh my God. I cannot believe I just did that. Okay, so anyway. Excuse me. Like, man. This shit is so good. Like, look at that. Hold on, let me see. Let me get a little scoop. Look at this. This shit is so good. Oh my goodness. And then these vegetables with these carrots. You know, carrots are good for you. Help your eyesight. I wonder if it'll help my blind ass. Because I can't see shit. Listen. This shit is so good. Like, for real. I'm finna eat all this. I'm finna fuck this up. Oh! Whoa. Oh my God. Delicious. Okay, let's see. We're gonna get a scoop of meat. Look at that. Listen here. I don't be just saying it just because I made it. Because I done cooked some shit. And I'm like, ugh, that's nasty. But that don't happen too often. And this right here, let me tell you how this dinner came about. So about around 10 o'clock, I'd be like, oh, what I want to eat for dinner. And at first, I was going to make some chicken enchiladas. I got me some flour corn tortillas from Whole Foods. The frozen ones, oh my God, they're on money. I got me some black beans, some pinto beans. Oh. But then I was like, you just had damn enchiladas 2 days in a row last week. So I'm like, okay, I ain't gonna have the enchiladas. And I get on Facebook, and the first fucking picture I see is fucking enchiladas. I'm like, oh, God. What am I going to eat? So as I'm looking around in the freezer, like, oh, I could do this. I could do that. And I seen the turkey leg. I was like, oh. You want me to do you and some gravy with some rice? That was it. That was the meal. That was my plan. And that's what I did. And child, baby, look at here. This food is gone. Excuse me. Listen. This is so good. Like, I'm tempted to save a little dab for later when I get the munchies. But bitch, the way this is looking, finito, dunzo, no more. It's gone. I already ate all the vegetables, so now here's the motherfucking killer. I hope I don't fucking fall asleep because I've been drinking all day. So this food is really soaking up all the motherfucking alcohol I've been drinking since 7 o'clock this morning. So my fat ass might be hungry again. But as of right now, I'm full. Like a motherfucker. I'm done. Good food make you dance. Right. So good. Oh my God. Okay. I'm full. That's it. There's no more left. We killed it. So. All right. Well, this was a quick video. So, you know what that means. Please like, share, comment, follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cooking with AJ. That's COOKIN space W space AJ. It's the same name on YouTube. It's the same name on Facebook. Cooking with AJ. There you can follow me. You can see all of my recipes. You can even see me when I go like do my Airbnb cooking, because I'm going to start cooking live while I'm doing my Airbnb experiences for the different my guests that sign up. So I'm going to start cooking live with them for the cooking class that I offer. So great content, great fucking food, and I mean I'm easy on the eyes, so why wouldn't you want to watch me? Like, share, join, follow, subscribe, comment. Cooking with AJ. COOKIN space W space AJ. Cooking with AJ on YouTube and Facebook. Hit me up. I do respond. I do talk back to you. And I promise you will definitely like watching me. All right, it's been real.